How to reload a Chipotle gift card online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search chipotle.com/gift cards. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply scroll down and you'll find all the gift card informations. Below the gift card options, you will find reload balance. Click on reload a gift card. After you've clicked on reload a gift card, it will lead you to this page. Here, simply add your gift card number. After you've added your gift card number, simply click on I'm not a robot and then press on next. After you've done that, you'll find your gift card. In here, choose a reload amount and then continue to the payment steps. After you've done all the payment steps, you will find reloaded gift card, and this is how to reload a Chipotle gift card online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.